Similar figures. So similar figures are like if you stretch out something. So if you look at me and you look at me on TV, I'm not gonna be 6'4" tall on your TV unless your TV is massive. I'm probably gonna be like this big on your TV, right? So that compared to me in real life, that's like scale. Everything is in the same proportion. If my arm is 1 inch on the screen, but it's 14 inches in real life, then everything would be 14 times bigger in real life. So same thing here. In the figure below, triangle ABC is similar to, that's what that little squiggly do means, triangle DFE. Find the length of DE. So here is the side DE. Now that is the left side of this triangle. That corresponds to this side over here, side AC. So those sides will be in proportion. But we need to find another side that's in proportion on each triangle that we know for a fact what those two numbers are. So if we look at what else is marked over here, I see that side DF is 10 centimeters. That corresponds with side AB, which is 15 centimeters. That's all we need. Again, consistency is key when you're setting these up. You could set up left side over bottom. So it'd be 21 over 15. But if you're setting left side over bottom on the big guy, you gotta do the same thing over here. Left side over bottom. So it'd be X over 10. Now some of you might be saying, oh, Mr. Plan, what if I don't want to set it up that way? That's fine. If you want to do bottom over left side equals bottom over left side, that's fine. You could also set it up with the corresponding parts. 21 on the big triangle corresponds with X. So you could say 21 over X, but you did big triangle over corresponding little triangle. So then the other big triangle would be 15 over the corresponding little triangle is 10. But if you add both proportions we set up, and it would be the same if you flipped them. The cross products are 15 and X, and then the other cross products are 21 and 10. Great. So it gets you the same answer. You can go with whichever one you feel most comfortable with. Also, if you had something like this with the 15 over 10, if you wanted, you could simplify that to 3 over 2. Maybe you forgot your calculator that day, so you gotta do a little mental math. So that would be a way that you're working then with smaller numbers. But we brought our calc today, so it'll just go faster. So 15 times X, 15X, 21 times 10, anytime you multiply by 10, you just move the decimal, so it'd be 210. How do you solve 15X equals 210? You divide both sides by that 15. 210 divided by 15, 14. So, right there would be a 14, and we're talking about centimeters. So 14 centimeters. That is the length of DE. Now, also make sure that makes sense. If this side is bigger than the bottom, then this side should also be bigger than the bottom. If you ended up with a number like 6.2 here, that wouldn't make sense with the problem. It wouldn't be a realistic answer.